British Shorthair cat. The British Shorthair is one of the most popular and loved cat breeds in the world. They are known for their thick, soft blue-gray fur, although they can come in a variety of other colors and patterns. They have strong, dense bodies, with short, sturdy legs. Their heads are round with full cheeks, and their eyes are usually orange or golden yellow, which contrasts with the color of their fur. The British Shorthair is a calm and adaptable cat. They are usually not very active or playful, but prefer to spend their time relaxing around humans. They are also known as very loyal cats and like to interact with their owners. Although they can be a little shy around strangers, British Shorthairs are usually very friendly and affectionate with their families. They can also be very patient and good with children and other pets. The British Shorthair has a short, wide nose, and a tail that is thick and rounded at the end. One of the most interesting features of this cat is its facial expression, which often looks like a smile. That is why they are often nicknamed teddy bears in the cat world. When it comes to personality, the British Shorthair is a very independent breed. They enjoy having some alone time and don't always need constant attention from their owners. However, don't get me wrong, they still really enjoy petting and relaxing play sessions. British Shorthairs are also known for their intelligence and curious nature. They love exploring their surroundings and often show a strong interest in interactive toys. They are also known as very healthy cats and generally have a long life expectancy, which can reach 15 years or more. This, coupled with their easygoing and easy-to-groom nature, makes the British Shorthair the perfect choice for many cat owners. The British Shorthair is a very elegant and graceful cat. They have thick, shiny fur, which requires little grooming compared to other long-haired cat breeds. Just comb their fur once or twice a week to keep their fur healthy and clean. They are also known for their calm and reserved nature. British Shorthairs usually don't like to be noisy or make a fuss. They prefer to sit in a comfortable place and watch the world go by. However, they also enjoy occasionally playing with toys or hunting. One of the things people love most about the British Shorthair is their serious but playful facial expressions. This expression, combined with their round, big eyes, often makes them look like they are thinking about something important. British Shorthairs are also known for their loyalty. They tend to be very attached to their human family and often show their affection by sitting near you or following you from room to room. Overall, the British Shorthair is a very charming cat. With their beautiful appearance and friendly, sociable personality, they can be the perfect companion for almost anyone. What do you need to pay attention to when caring for a British Shorthair? Caring for a British Shorthair does require attention and dedication, even though they are a cat that is relatively easy to care for. Here are some things to pay attention to. First, food. British Shorthairs need a balanced and nutritious diet. They tend to be obese, so it is important to monitor their food intake. Choose high-quality cat food and give it in the right portions. Second, fur care. Even though it has short fur, the British Shorthair has thick and dense fur. Regularly comb their fur, at least once a week, to avoid dead fur and help keep their fur clean and healthy. Third, exercise. Even though they are not the most active cats, British Shorthairs still need exercise to maintain their weight and health. Make sure they have access to toys and enough space to move around. Fourth, check health. British Shorthairs are generally healthy cats, but they can be prone to certain health problems such as obesity and dental disease. Have regular checkups with the vet to make sure they stay healthy. Fifth, socialization. British Shorthairs are friendly cats and enjoy human warmth. They will feel happier and healthier if they feel loved and appreciated. Take time every day to interact and play with them. Remember, each cat is unique and may have different needs and preferences. It's important to get to know your cat and adapt your care to suit their needs. How often should a British Shorthair be seen by a vet? As a general rule, it's a good idea to take your cat, including British Shorthairs, to the vet for a routine checkup at least once a year. If your cat is older or has certain health conditions, examinations may need to be done more frequently, for example every 6 months. These regular checkups are important to ensure your cat remains healthy and to detect potential health problems early. The veterinarian will usually check the cat's weight, the condition of the teeth and gums, and listen to the heart and lungs. They may also do blood or urine tests if necessary. In addition to routine checkups, you should take your cat to the vet immediately if you notice any changes in their behavior, appetite, or physical condition. This could be a sign of a serious health problem and should be treated immediately. Remember, prevention is always better than cure, so don't neglect your cat's regular health checkups. What are the signs that my cat is sick and should be taken to the vet? There are several signs that can indicate that your cat may be sick and needs to be seen by a veterinarian. Here are some of these signs. First, appetite change. If your cat suddenly stops eating or starts eating more than usual, this could be a sign of a health problem. Second, changes in behavior. If your cat suddenly becomes quieter or more aggressive than usual, or if they seem lethargic or uninterested in things they usually enjoy, this could be a sign that they are not feeling well. Third, changes in urination. If your cat starts urinating or defecating outside their litter box, or if they seem to have difficulty urinating, this could be a sign of a health problem. Fourth, coughing, sneezing, or shortness of breath. If your cat is coughing, sneezing, or appears to be having difficulty breathing, this could be a sign of a respiratory infection or other health problem. Fifth, weight change. If your cat suddenly loses or gains significant weight, this could be a sign of a health problem. Sixth, wounds or swelling. If you notice wounds, swelling, or other changes on your cat's skin, this could be a sign of infection or another health condition. Keep in mind that these are just some general signs and every cat is different. If you feel unsure or concerned about your cat's health, it is always best to consult a veterinarian. What do you think about British Shorthair cats? Give your opinion in the comments column.